We'll try to see master data in this process of sampling procedure. We'll start with material master. Material is pyridine, maintained in 1100 plant. We are mainly interested in quality management and purchasing view. Plant is 1100. This material is batch managed. If we look at material type of this material is raw material. So raw material is purchased from some vendor. Let's have a look to the quality management view. This indicator indicates inspection setup. So this is active, inspection is activated for inspection type 01. 01 is maintained for incoming inspection, that is good receipt or purchase order. Sampling procedure is not maintained on the material master data. Inspection stock is posted, indicator is active. This is inspection with task list and not with the material specification. Dynamic modification rule is not maintained. However, the skips are allowed. Automatic assignment. Quality score is mainly based on the research decision. So this is all about inspection lot 01. Let's have a look to inspection for other good receipt, that is 05 inspection type. Sampling procedure is not maintained. Dynamic modification rule is not maintained. This is all about material master data. Let's have a look at task list. Transaction is KP03 as we have seen. There are two group counters maintained for this. Let's have a look to both of them. Click on header. Usage is good receipt, that is 5. Status is released. Inspection points. If we have a look at the inspection points for the sample, basically 905 for the physical samples. Since we are using this material for physical samples to be withdrawn while the inspection process. Sample drawing procedure is maintained on the header level of task list, that is inspection plan. If you have quick look at sample drawing procedure, that's the sample. Basically it's a primary sample, and we'll go back. sample drawing procedure, and this is sample line scheme. Inspection severity is number 4, which is normal inspection. Select line item, go to detail view. Alright. Go back to operations. Operation 10 is all about the chemical properties, and operation 20 is all about the color test. Click to inspection characteristics maintained on this operation. Operation 10 is all about the chemical properties. 2 characteristics maintained. They are purity boiling point, on operation 20 the qualitative inspection characteristics is maintained, that is something like far away. We can see sampling procedure is maintained, is assigned to MIC on the task list. Then if you click on to sample, that will take you to sampling procedure. Transaction is QDV3. This is fixed sample, qualitative. Sampling procedure let's have a look at catalog set. Characteristics is Fairway, which is qualitative, and qualitative characters has got attributes. So the selected set indicator is on. The core group is Paradigm. Let's have a look what is core group. 20 yellowish, 40 cloudy acceptable, 50 clear is not acceptable. That's the characteristics of attribute. We have seen procedure. Let's go back. We can see sample procedure, dynamic modification rule, etc. Let's have a look. No dynamic modification rule, control indicators. We can see this is characteristic attribute. Sampling procedure is on. This qualitative characteristics is Fairway, or shortest is color. So this is all about maintenance of taskless inspection plan, operation work center, etc. is maintained. MICs are assigned. If we go back, you can see work centers. Work centers has got 5 views. BDC, SC, all parameters are maintained. These are all laboratory work centers. Next master data is, let's have a quick look to sampling procedure, sampling scheme and sample drawing procedure. Sample procedure transaction is QDV3. We have got two sampling procedure, one for qualitative, one for quantitative. This procedure is for qualitative. Determination rule has got 10 fixed sample. Next is sampling scheme in the sample drawing procedure. Transaction is QDP3. SL1. This is sampling scheme in the sample drawing procedure. This is used for normal production, normal inspection. Lot size is for 5 first sample. If lot size is 10, then 2 samples, 15 and 4, 200 then 6, for 1000 quantities, 12 samples have been taken, 10,000, 30, and so on. That's all about sampling scheme in the sample drawing procedure. Now sample drawing procedure. Transaction is QPV3. Sample drawing procedure. That's the sample drawing procedure we have used in this master data. That was the sampling scheme we have seen. This is primary sample. 3 types of samples: primary, pooled, and result sample. Can say lot container is can or canister. Physical sampling, so this is being used for test tube. Sampling scheme is SL1. Physical sample, Let's have a quick look at material master. Select classification view. We are mainly into batch classes or the material classes. In this category we can see one class is pyridine class, has got some properties. These are the characteristics basically. If you remember that the core group is selected for the color, it has these attributes: yellowish, murky, clear. The clear is basically not accepted, and the purity is quantitative characteristics. So this class is a batch class which is assigned to material master, which has got some characteristics. We call it as CT04 transaction, and if we have just quick look at this class, if we just open another session, if we just have a quick look to that class, which is pyridine. Let's have a look to the two characteristics, that is solvent and the purity. If we have a quick look to characteristic, let's take this is qualitative, basically color. That's the one. This is quantitative characteristic, and it has got class characteristics assigned in material inspection. Characteristics, that is purity. Purity has got values. That's the one, purity. If you go back to the old characteristic, class characteristic is not assigned. Then thirdly, characteristics is qualitative, that is 9116. No class characteristics, again quantitative. It's a boiling point. That's all. This is all about the master data which is being used in this scenario. Let's